This is a really quick tip on how to dry shoes in a dryer if your dryer doesn't have one of those drying racks. See what I did? You take a pair of shoes, put them next to each other, and then use a big clamp to hold them. There's the other pair. And that's pretty much it. In this dryer, since it's got 3 of those agitators, I could do 3 pairs of shoes. So you want to have them a mixed one of each type to try to balance the weight as much as I can. It's still out of sync because there's one that doesn't have anything. I've had another pair of shoes that would balance it out really good, but I mean, if you've ever tried to dry shoes, you know it's like kaboom, 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 kaboom. The door flies open and you just get agitated. So you can get those clamps. You can probably get them on Amazon. Those are from Harbor Freight, and they usually have them on sale cheap, the big ones. But the thing is, all it's got to do is hold it there, because once it gets going, centrifugal force is actually pushing everything out, so it's actually kind of holding it in place. This is getting it started and leaving it there. So hope this helps. See you.